Ghost mannequin photos are very important for every e-commerce business. They make products look professional, clean, and ready to sell. So, let's learn how easily we can do it. The first thing I like to do is work on the shape of the shirt. Sometimes, during the shoot, the fabric isn't perfect. Maybe it's a little bent, maybe it's wrinkled, or maybe the shirt just looks flat. To fix that, let's head over to Filter, then Liquify. Now, in Liquify, with a soft round brush, gently push the sides of the shirt to make them look balanced and natural. If you push too much, it'll start looking unrealistic, so just a few nudges here and there. Once you're happy with Liquify, the next step is to create an outline of the t-shirt. This really helps later on to keep everything balanced. And here's the trick. We don't need to draw the whole shirt from scratch. Just make a clean outline for one side first. When that's ready, copy it, flip it, and paste it onto the other side. Use the pen tool for the selection. It really helps you keep the edges sharp and professional. Once your pen tool path is complete, just turn it into a selection. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Now to make that outline visible, go to Edit, Stroke, and add a 1 or 2 pixel stroke. That's it. This gives you a nice, clear reference line, and it makes the whole process much easier as we move forward. Again, use the pen tool to carefully trace around the collar area. Once the path is complete, make it a selection and then add a 1 or 2 pixel stroke, just like we did with the main outline. Go back to Liquify and use the outline as a guide. Pick a soft brush and gently push the edges of the shirt so they match the outline. Move slowly. Small changes look natural. Big changes can look fake. Zoom in and out to check everything. After that, use the outline to make a selection of the shirt. Then apply feather to soften the edges. Then press Ctrl+J to duplicate it and hide the layer underneath. We'll work on the neck part separately. Now, focus on the neck area where the mannequin is still visible. Use the pen tool to carefully outline just that part. Once it's selected, use feather and press delete to remove the mannequin portion. Take your time to make sure the edges are clean and smooth so it blends naturally with the shirt. Now use the clone stamp tool to fix and smooth the edges. Now bring in the neck part and position it where it should go. Then make a selection around the neck outline and remove any extra bits outside the outline. To make the neck look like it's under the shirt, select the shirt layer and apply a drop shadow. Adjust the shadow so it looks natural, then erase or mask the areas where the shadow isn't needed. This will make the neck blend in perfectly under the shirt. Now use the frequency separation technique to remove the wrinkles from the shirt. This will let you smooth out the texture and color separately so the shirt looks clean and even without losing detail. Don't worry if you're not sure how to use frequency separation. I'll make another video where I'll explain it step by step, showing how it separates texture and color so you can remove wrinkles cleanly without losing details.